Hello watcher and subscriber. Here in this program we will see how we can reverse the enter string. And the main thing is that we will not apply any predefined function. We will reverse the string by applying our own code. So now here we start the coding. So straight away we will take input from the user. For that you have to take directly input method. We will type here message enter string. Now after this message, I would like to show that original string value to the user. So by using this output statement, I am showing the original string value, and then I would like to apply the function reverse, and through this rev function I am putting the parameter yes. So because of this function I would like to reverse the string. So this is what user defined function. You can give any name here, and this is the calling function, and we will call it here upside of the code. I just enter here, and here we will define this function. We will pass the variable s, and here we will put the coding for that function. So when we are concatenating the string, we have to use here any variable with the blank value because we are going to concatenate while doing the reverse operation. Got it? So we will take here for loop because we would like to execute some statement more number of time. So for I in s, so where s will contain the string value. So here s will be there, and we will put the colon, and then here we have to put the actual logic in the program. Here we are supposed to write str equal to I plus str. This is our important statement. I will explain also. And at the end, once that looping process will be over, you have to write here. There is one changes here. Actually, this for loop should be included in that function. So you have to use the indentation from here so that all the three statements will be available inside that function. And then outside that for loop, and here also indentation is required, I put it. So I explain this indentation meaning detail to you if you are beginner. So in this function these two statements are available, then in the for loop this statement is available, so that's why I put the separate indentation. And once the for loop process is over, we have to use here output statement, and we will show here reverse of a string. So here I put the output message reverse string. So I just remove the spaces. So again I just revise the code. First user will enter the string value and we will display also. And here this method, calling method, will call the called method, and str is a null value. Then for I in s, so what is the value of I? Suppose we are assume the output is here, input is suppose Suraj. So I just give here comment. Suppose in input we are giving the value Suraj. So here I value will be s in the first attempt. Next attempt I value will be u. Next attempt I value will be r. Like that it will go on. Str take a null value. So here I plus str means s plus null value. So initially str equal to yes. Got it? Then in the next attempt that value will be stored in the str. Then I next value is u. And as we are writing I first, u is added at the beginning of previous value of str. Okay. So here you will get the confusion. So I will take one more print statement for your better understanding, and I will print str. And I am including this statement inside this for loop. I put common indentation. So what happened? You can judge the output here. So if I enter the same string, So you can observe reverse string is just opposite, and you can observe I am printing that str value, and in that for loop this two statement is executed again and again till the condition is satisfied. So I value is initially yes and it is storing to the variable str. So we are getting yes output. Then in the next attempt I value is u. It is added at the beginning. Previous str value is s. So it is added at the beginning. So it is us. Now str value is u and s. Got it? This is the value of str. But the next value of I is r. It is added at the beginning. So it will become rus. Then next value is a. So it is added at the beginning. So in this way we are getting this output. So for your understanding I am taking this statement so that you can understand what is happening with the variable I and what is happening with this statement. If I explain just orally you will not understand, so that the reason I am taking this statement. Now I put it in the comment. So now here we will get the actual output in the program. You can type any name like Ram. So you are getting MAR. So in this way you can reverse the string.